Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on business licenses with Incfile step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Incfile website. Once on the homepage, navigate to the business licenses section. Click on the link to learn more about their offerings. Familiarize yourself with the different types of business licenses you may need. Identify your specific business type and location, as this influences licensing requirements. Click on the Start Your Business button to begin the process. Select your state from the drop-down menu to get localized information. Fill out the form with necessary details about your business. Review the list of licenses and permits that apply to your business. Take note of any additional requirements or deadlines highlighted. If you're unsure about any license, utilize the resources provided on the site. Consider consulting Infile's customer support if you have questions. Once informed, choose the licenses you wish to apply for. Add them to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Review your order summary carefully before confirming. Make a payment through the secure payment gateway. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Monitor your email for further instructions or documents needed. Complete any remaining steps as directed in the email. Once you receive your licenses, maintain copies for your records. Regularly check for renewals or updates related to your licenses. Utilize Incfile services for future licensing needs as your business grows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.